Good morning, students. In our this session, we are going to start our exercise 1.6, which is based on the laws of exponents. In our last session, we have studied about exponents and powers and laws of exponents. So you have to use that laws into these problems to solve the given problem. So let us start. First, take some examples. These examples are given in your textbook also. So the first example is simplify 2 raised to power 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 by 3. So as we have studied the first law of exponent, that is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. So a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Whenever base is same and powers are different, we will add the powers. So here 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 3. As base is same, so the powers will be added. So 2 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So as LCM is 3, both the numerators will be added. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 2 raised to power 3 by 3. After cancellation, we will get 2 raised to power 1. So the answer is 2 raised to power 1, or we can write it as 2. So we have uses the law, that is a raised to power m multiply a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. The second question is 3 raised to power 1 by 5, the whole has a power 4. So we have studied the second law, that is based on this one, a raised to power m whole raised to power n. So what happens? Both the powers will be multiplied. The same thing will happen here. What will we do? If you are given 3 raised to power 5, 3 raised to power 1 by 5 raised to power 4, we will multiply both these power. It will become 3 raised to power 1 by 5 multiplied by 4, that is 3 raised to power 4 by 5. That is your answer. Third question, 7 raised to power 1 by 5, 7 raised to power 1 by 3, both are in division. 7 raised to power 1 by 5 divided by 7 raised to power 1 by 3. So whenever base is same and the powers are in division, so what happens? The exponents will be subtracted. So 7 raised to power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. We will take the LCM and the LCM will be 15. Cross multiply 3 minus 5. So 7 raised to power minus 2 by 15 is our answer. Clear? The last example is 13 raised to power 1 by 5 into 17 raised to power 1 by 5. Here the base is different but the exponent is same. So the law of exponent that should be used here is a raised to power m multiply a raised to b raised to power m. So what will we do? We will multiply the base first and then we will write the powers. So 13 multiply 17 raised to power 1 by 5. So 13 multiply 17 raised to power 1 by 5. So the answer is 221 raised to power 1 by 5, because 13 multiply 17 is equal to 221. Now let us start our exercise. The first question is find the value of 64 raised to power 1 by 2. So as we can write, 64 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. Whenever 2 is multiplied 6 times, we will get 64. So we can write 64 as 2 raised to power 6. So in place of 64 we will write 2 raised to power 6. So it will become 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 1 by 2, because the power has given, this one has given in the question, this one we have write it 2 raised to power 6 in place of 64. Now the law of exponent that must be used here is a raised to power m multiply n. So we will write it as 2 raised to power 6 multiply 1 by 2, 2 3s are 6, that will become 2 raised to power 3, and the value of 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So you can write 2 raised to power 3 as well as you can write 8. Clear? Second part, 32 raised to power 1 by 5. As we can write 32 as 2 raised to power 5. So in place of 32 we can write 2 raised to power 5. Then we will use our law of exponent, 5 will cancel 5 and we will get 2 raised to power 1, or we can write it as 2. Third one, 125 raised to power 1 by 3. So as we can write 125 as power of 5, 5 raised to power 3. So 5 raised to power 3, multiply 1 by 3, 3 and 3 will cancel each other and we will get 5 here. Clear? In these type of questions you will always get a number which is a power of something, and each power will cancel each other. Now the next one is second question. Find the value of 9 raised to power 3 by 2. So we can write 9 as 3 square. So in place of 9 we can write 3 square, and we are given the power 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel each other and we will get 3 raised to power 3. So 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 27. So our answer is 27. Next is 32 raised to power 2 by 5. So as we know, we can write 32 as power of 2. 2 raised to power 5. So 2 raised to power 5 raised to power 2 by 5. 5 will cancel 5 and we will get 2 square, and 2 square as we know is 4. Third one, 16 raised to power 3 by 4. So we can write 16 as power of 2. 2 raised to power 4. 4 will cancel 4 and we will get 2 raised to power 3, and the answer is 8. Clear? Fourth one, 125 raised to power minus 1 by 3. So as we can write 125 as 5 raised to power 3 and we are given minus 1 by 3. So 3 will cancel 3 and 5 raised to power minus 1, we can write it as 1 by 5. Clear? Third question, simplify these value. 2 raised to power 2 by 3, 2 raised to power 1 by 5. As here base is same but the powers are different, so whenever the base is same, powers are different and the powers are multiplied, so we will add the two powers. We will use this law of exponent. A raised to power m multiply a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So what will we do? 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 5. We will add both these powers and we will get it 2 raised to power 13 by 15. Next question, 1 by 3 raised to power 3 and the whole raised to power 7. So the second law of exponent is a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. So we will multiply 3 and 7 and we will get 3 raised to power 21. Third question is 11 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to power 1 by 4. So whenever the powers are in division, we will subtract the exponents. So here what will we do? We will subtract the exponents and we will get the answer 11 raised to power 1 by 2. Here 7 raised to power 1 by 2, 8 raised to power 1 by 2. Powers are same, exponents are same, but base is different. So we will use this law of exponent. A raised to power m multiply b raised to power m is equal to ab raised to power m. We will multiply both the base. So 7 8s are 56, power is 1 by 2. So our answer is 56 raised to power 1 by 2. So now your first chapter has been finished. You have to complete your notes and you have to upload it in the Google Classroom. Both 9th B and 9th C class. All the students must complete your notes and submit it to Google Classroom as soon as possible. Till tomorrow you have to submit your notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.